Hey friends, if you wish to fix USB composite device driver error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update USB drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers, and update all the root hub drivers, and then right click on the USB composite device and update all of them. This is a little different from the root hub drivers. Okay, so we'll update all of them. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to try a different USB port, and lastly you can restart Windows. Right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.